In this video we take a world-known song and then we try to turn it into a professional sounding EDM anthem. And in the end we will see if the EDM version can top the original. And guys, we're doing everything from scratch, so I show you the whole process from start to finish. Let's go. At first I listen to the vocal to click in the fitting bass notes. Then I put chords on top. Now we need to layer it. I found this one and it was just perfect. Then I gave it a quick mix. Let's listen. To give it more atmosphere, I added the piano from Nexus. Let's layer it. Now and then I think of when we were together. Now we need a soft bass. I boosted a bit with the R-Bass plugin. Let's listen. Told myself that you were right for me. And now we're at the point to add some samples. I think a guitar sample would fit perfectly. Now and then I think of when we were together. And we need an ambient sample to fill out some room. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Now and then I think of when we were together. Here we need some energy and rhythm. I drag in a cymbal transition, an impact and a snap. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. So we really need to build energy on this point, so I added drop claps that have a cutoff automation. Told myself that you were right for me. And I think a nice clap would also fit well. Told myself that you were right for me. Told myself that you were right for me. You didn't have to cut me off. And now a build up. And to make the build-up more intense, I add some faster paced claps. And the Endless Smile plugin gives it even more energy. And now guys, we are coming to the saucy part. I show you how to make a complete melody from scratch. And it's actually quite simple. I first pick a nice preset and then I listen to my chords and I'm clicking some notes I think sounding good together. Now let's layer the lead. And there needs some reverb. For more depth we need a dance piano. Let's layer it. Now the bass line. For the sub bass I use this very cool organic bass from Flex. We need a kick. Mix the kick and the bass together. Now I layer the kick with a snare to give it more punch. Some perks for more groove. And make a cutoff filter for the build-up. And to give the drop more energy, we need a little counter melody. And an ARP is also cool. And for the almost last step, we need to add some more ambiances for the drop to fill it up even more. And my friends, we completely finished this remix from entire scratch. And as I try to be generous, this FLP is 100% free with all the used samples and presets. As you saw in the video, I made this entire remix with only one sample pack, the Lion 3.0. It comes with crazy good samples like drums, effects and all kinds of instrument and drum loops. And you also get 100 presets for Synth 1, 100 presets for Serum and also 100 for Spire that are perfect for progressive house tracks like this. And on top you also get 100% royalty-free MIDI melodies like this. And if you add the coupon code REMIX, you get a 30% discount. Guys, check this pack, it's amazing. First link in the description down below. And now guys, let's listen to the final remix and let's see if it tops the original.
Now I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.